3 phases induction motor, 10 plus MCQ. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. 1. Which type of rotor is used in squirrel cage induction motor? A. Wound type. B. Squirrel cage. C. Slip ring type. D. Projecting type. Answer B. Squirrel cage. 2. Why rotor bars of squirrel cage induction motor is skewed? A. Reduce magnetic humming. B. Reduce losses. C. Improve efficiency. D. Improve capacity. Answer A. Reduce magnetic humming. 3. How to change the direction of rotation of a 3F squirrel cage induction motor. A. By interchanging 3 terminals. B. By interchanging any 2 terminals. C. By disconnecting 1 terminal. D. By reducing the applied voltage. Answer B. By interchanging any 2 terminals. 4. Which type of starter is recommended to start up to 3 HP squirrel cage induction motors? A. Doll starter. B. Auto transfer starter. C. Star delta starter. D. Rotor resistance starter. Answer A. Doll starter. 5. Which starter is in simple, expensive, and easy to start? A. Rotor resistance starter. B. Doll starter. C. Semi-automatic star delta starter. D. Auto transformer starter. Answer B. Doll starter. 6. Which type of starter is used to start and run the 3-phase slip ring induction motor? A. Direct online starter. B. Rotor rheostat starter. C. Auto transformer starter. D. Manual star delta starter. Answer B. Rotor rheostat starter. 7. What is the purpose of using rotor resistance starter to start 3-phase slip ring induction motor? A. Reduce rotor voltage. B. Increase rotor current. C. Increase the starting torque. D. Reduce the power loss. Answer C. Increase the starting torque. 8. Why external resistance is included in the rotor circuit at starting through 3-phase slip ring induction motor starter? A. To get high running torque. B. To reduce high starting current. C. To reduce the load current. D. To get increased speed at starting. Answer B. To reduce high starting current. 9. What is the effective motor if the rotor windings in slip ring induction motor is open circuited at starting? A. Will not run. B. Runs at slow speed. C. Runs at very high speed. D. Runs but not able to pull load. Answer A. Will not run. 10. Which method is used to control the speed of 3-phase induction motor from stator side? A. By cascade operation. B. By rotor rheostat control. C. By injecting EMF in rotor circuit. D. By changing the applied frequency. Answer D. By changing the applied frequency. If any query, comment box is yours. Thanks for watching video.